in, back off, pull some of that. And what you're trying to find is where that area of grit and tension is. That's usually where that scar tissue is. And you can see each time I'm pulling through as I open that up, that allows that to open up. Bias my body over like that and pull up just like that. And if I want to get the other side, I'm going to come over just like that as well and pull up there. And what I'm feeling for is those areas of grit. Each time that I move it, I'm going to drop that head a little bit more, but I'm being very cautious to make sure I support the head and going like that. If we're going to get the lateral part over here, we're going to bias our body over just like that. And if we're going to get this medial side towards me, we're going to bias like that.